I take my approach to the mortgage business quite a bit different than other people, and it's because of my background. You see, before I was a mortgage lender, I was actually an airline pilot. In the airline business, as a pilot, you do a lot of studying and a lot of prep work before you ever actually fly the plane, so you can make sure you really learn and are able to understand everything. And I kind of treat mortgage the same way. When I talk to a new client, my job is not to sell them on a mortgage. My job is to educate them to make sure they understand all their options, and that way they can decide the best financial option for them. You know, really, there's a lot of different ways you can go with a mortgage. It could potentially save you tens of thousands of dollars if you choose the right mortgage that fits within your financial goals. I know when I first bought my house, I was still flying, and it was such a whirlwind, I had no clue what actually was going on. The next thing you knew, my wife and I were unpacking boxes. We didn't know where to even make the payment to, much less how much it was. That's why when I meet with a client, I want to make sure that they're not scared like we were, because that was not a lot of fun. And really what we'll do is we put together a pretty detailed analysis with different loan options, and we'll compare those and figure out the right one for you. So what I always recommend to clients, especially if they're about a year out, is start watching the videos and start learning more about the process before you ever get started. And then about 90 days out, they can reach out to me, and then we can start going through their actual loan scenario and figure out the best option for them.